Well, hello, trader nerds. Welcome in. It is a magnificent Monday here with Sweet Bobby and the trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone, they trade with their fellow nerds. We got Corey in the house, DB, Don, Dwayne, Edwin, Jim. We've got John. We got Make 111 great again. We got Matt Jollywally. We got Mo. We got Stacy. We got Vicky with an I. We got Vicky with a Y. And we've got Bo. And we are proud to be with you. It was a great weekend. Alabama beat Mercer. Boy, that was a nail biter, wasn't it? And those nasty Bulldogs beat up on those Tennessee Volunteers. That was a game I thought would have been a little more, I don't know, I thought it would be a little more competitive. It was the first half, but the second half, Tennessee didn't even score, did they? So anyway, the Atlanta Falcons got blasted, and it was good to see Buffalo beat the what's they called, oh heck, the Kansas City, uh whatever they are. What are they? The Kansas City Chiefs, right? Yeah, Kansas City Chiefs. It was good to see them go down and get a loss. So anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. Look at this, y'all. TQQQ is up 2.42%. Waka. Now, y'all, I don't know that we sold a put the other day. Maybe that means we need to sell a covered call today. We'll see what our plan says. I formulated the plan. We'll just see what the plan says. So TQQ up 2.45%. The E-minis up 0.42%. NQ is up 0.82%. So really, really nice day in the market. VIX is at 15.62. The AD is positive at 193, and it made its highs at about 1144 and has been drifted downward, as has the market. Let's see the big green monster. Amazing how it found support at our 80% line, right? That was an area of support, and it bounced back up to the 50% line. That was an area of resistance, and it's popped back down. So it is fairly priced. Don't let anyone tell you anything otherwise. It is fairly priced. Let's look at the E-minis. And the E-minis, maybe I drew the chart wrong. The support was a little bit off here, but we didn't go down to this part. But look at it. We went to the 50% line, and that was a little bit of resistance. So we are fairly priced in both of them. Let's look at the linear regression and pull it down here. And so I've drawn a new little channel here, the down channel, and we'll see if we kind of hold within these areas here. But we had a period of consolidation after a big run up after the election, and now we've experienced a little bit of a move down toward the bottom. We'll see if that continues or if we'll flatten out and continue our parade higher, as the market has been going higher for a good long while. Yeah, this is a long little streak here. Look at this. You look back in time, I mean, we've been going up for some time. So it just continues to go up. That's what markets do. And we'll see if that continues. Now, let's look at our plan and see if it's a good day to us to sell a covered call. Let's see what our new plan says. All right, new plan. I've not uploaded this yet, the new one, but let's see what it says. And then this one, we have written option strategy rules. So there's put selling guidelines, and here's covered call strategy. Only sell calls against my existing TQQ position, so they would be covered. Sell calls on up days. Well, it's an up day. And VIX is between 15 and 20. So it says to sell the 30 to 35 delta call. If VIX was less than 15, we sell the 25 to 30 delta call. So it says sell the 15 to 20. That's where the VIX is. So we'll sell the 30 or 35 delta call at approximately 45 days to expiration. We're going to close it at 50%, or we're going to roll this booger at 21 days. Okay. So that's really it. We don't have a lot more to say about our calls. So let's go and see if we can do it. So let's go over here, and our position should be doing really well today. Let's see our TQQ position. Look at this, y'all. Waka. We're up $562 dollars on that. Let's see. And the Bengals are still bad. Yeah, the Bengals lost. How dare you, Chiefs for life. Well, it's not that I dislike the Chiefs. I just don't want to see somebody undefeated. I'm still pulling for the 72 Dolphins, right? They still get together and they're like, hey, we're still the only, and I just like that record to stay intact. That's the only, it's not that I'm against the Chiefs because I would never pull for a New York team against a Midwest team. I mean, that's just not like me, but I wanted to see, you know, uh, Kansas City to get at least one loss. Go Bills. Josh Allen, MVP. Boy, wasn't he something? And what about Bo Nix? I think Bo Nix is older than Mike Tyson. Oh, by the way, did y'all stay up and watch the Mike Tyson fight? Beth and I stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning watching that unbelievable stuff. And the girls' fight, y'all, that was rigged. That other old gal, she beat that other one, but they called that for the wrong one. I don't know anything about boxing, but I knew the other old gal won. Um, the only team we want undefeated is the Tide. Don't give a piss about nothing other than the Tide. Right, man? Uh, hey, Willie. I like old Willie. Okay, so it's good football over the weekend. Good football. Good football. So we're making $562 on our TQQQ. You're sitting there going, wait a minute, Bobby. Where's your TMF? I dumped it. Dumped my TMF. How dare you? TMF is down today. Of course it is. It's down every day. So the new plan is 100% TQQQ, and we enhance dollar cost average in. So that's the new plan. Based on if you're not a member of Muscadine Mafia, you need to watch the Muscadine Mafia. My math calculations were wrong based on our entire complicated plan. So now we've got a very simple plan, a simple plan. Let me tell you what our simple plan is. We are 100%. Where's my pencil? My pencil, dang it. We are 100% PQQQ now. But we dollar cost average in over 12 months. Okay. No, John, I'll send that today. I'll put it in there today because I just have finished it. So when I've still got to work on the spreadsheet a little bit, so hold off on that. But I'll put the new plan in. So we enhance dollar cost average in. Don't put all your money in at one time. Do this over 12 months, right? Just ease in. And then the only trigger that we have is the federal funds rate trigger. And if the federal funds rate goes up more than 0.4 points in 3 month time period, then we go to cash. That's it. Simple plan. That's all we're doing. And then what I would encourage all of you to do is to dollar cost average in, like say you're going to put in 200 a month or 500 a month and just add to it that way to kind of build these positions up if anyone's doing this with me. And I don't think everybody needs to do this with me. I don't know. I think I'm a guinea pig. We may lose it all here. We don't know, but we're willing to give it the good old trolley try. Look at this on our TQQ though. We are up 1903, 1909. Let's see what our account is up. I hide this because I hate seeing all these big losses over here. But we are at 76020. 76020. Where were we when we started? 75 something. So we're up in our little account a little bit. So why don't we see how our activity, we've got a working order here, $1.05 at 67 cents is our working order. So let's see if we go to TQQQ. How many TQQ shares do we have? We've got 238 shares of TQQQ. How about that? So let me go put this back in so we can trade over this one here. Yeah. So we got 238. I think what I'm going to do, y'all, is only sell one covered call today. I don't think I'm going to sell both of them. And that way, if the market continues to go up, then I can layer in another one on there. Now, for those of you that are new, you're sitting there going, what's a covered call? That means you own 100 share stock and then you sell a call against it. So if we go to trade, TQQQ, we go out near 45 days. So that's 39 or 60. Either one of those you could go to. Which one do I want to go to? 15, probably 39. Let's go here. And we've already got a put down here. So this is going to be like Lance in our he did the thing the other day. This is going to be a covered strangle. We're going to strangle this thing. We've already sold a put. Now we're going to sell a 30 to 35 delta uh call. So let's see. Call would be 30 to 35 delta would be right in here, right? Look at this, y'all. Look at the premium on this thing. Wow, Wonka, Wonka. I like it a lot. So we could do a 29% probability being in the money. Let's do this right here, this 82. Yeah, look at that. Let's try to get toward that mid price too. Let's be greedy. 238. We'll sell one of those. Wow, we got it in for 238. Look at that. Isn't that great? So let's go to positions. So now we've got a call here, and we're going to close that position at 50% profit, right? So $1.19. I guess that's that. We sold it for 238. Good till cancel. Just making sure everything looks right. Now let's see what our thing looks like. Let's see what our trade curve analysis. Here we are, y'all. Look at this. We've got 238 shares. We're up here as the current price. This is our cost basis. We're a little under $70, and we've got this covered strangle, right? Got a covered strangle. Let's see what it looks like. Our profit and loss here, 238 shares. So we make money if it goes up. We lose the money if it goes down. But the cool thing is we could always, um, you know, take assignment of this at 60, which would uh, give us what, $6,000 is what it would cost us. And that's about what we are dollar cost averaging in every month. So you get it in a really, really good place. So I like this. I like this. Just creating. So this is a covered strangle, courtesy of Lance in our room. So kudos to Lance, and y'all can check out Lance at Theta Traders with a Z at the end.com, thetatraders.com. And he's a member of our Discord community, and he provides a lot of insight and videos and lessons. He's a chemistry and physics teacher, and he likes to trade. So he does really good. All right, that's good, y'all. I mean, look, well, I guess we need to look at our hedge, don't we? Let's see our hedge, see how our hedge is doing. I mean, I just like our little strategy here. It's just kind of fun. Let's see. So let's do auto refresh. We've got ES and TQQQ. We got our risk analysis. We'll bring this up to 40. And we'll change this to points. And 20% drop. That looks good. Except we need to change our TQQ to a 60% drop. So we've got about $32,000 of protection. Now, for those of you that are just joining us for the first time, what this means is if we have a 20% drop in the E-minis, we will make $32,000 in profit, and we will take this 32,000 and we will unashamedly put it into $32,000 worth of TQQQ that would be at a roughly 60% discount. Boom, baby. So we would do so we're perfectly hedged. That's the great part about our strategy is we're perfectly hedged. There's nothing that we can't do, and we're going to generate income through selling puts and selling calls, selling puts, selling calls. And if the market's up another 1 or 2% tomorrow, then I may sell another call because I only sold one today because we know how volatile and how moving how it can make big movements at TQQQ. So hope you enjoyed the covered strangle today. And everybody have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.